Have you ever run ads online or on radio and felt a bit frustrated because you know that you can be converting much better? So this is frustrating and we've been there. So if you want to be seen where your ideal customers are hanging out and you'd like to grow 4 major social media channels or profiles consistently at the same time, then you should come to my coffee session. It's in a week or two in the Edenvale area at Bootleggers Coffee, and it's going to be about an hour long, and you don't have to pay anything for this, where I'm going to take you through some examples. And if you're interested, if this is something that you could use that can help you, then we can have a chat and see what you can get out of it. What I can guarantee you is at the end of that session, you're going to know exactly how you're going to grow your business online. Cool. See you there. Let me know in the comments if you want to come and see us at the session. Cool. Ciao, bye.